Periodic classification of elements. Firstly, we should know what is the use of periodic table. The periodic table is a tabular method of displaying the element in such way that the elements having similar properties. Means we need periodic table to place the elements with similar properties, due to which it will be easier for us to find out the properties of the elements. There are 118 elements in modern periodic table. So it will be very difficult if it is not arranged in group or column with similar properties. That's why there is a need of classify the elements in a periodic table. Earlier attempt of the classification of element was done by Daubigny's. This is known as Daubigny's triad, then Newland's law of octave, then Mendeleev's periodic tables. So now periodic table is known as Mendeleev periodic table. Whether there is some changes in Mendeleev periodic table, which is known as modern form of periodic table. Let's start discussion. First is Daubigny's triad. Daubigny's triad. This classification is based on the atomic mass. Scientist Daubigny firstly classified the periodic table on the basis of increasing number of atomic mass. He placed the element on the basis of atomic mass. According to this, when elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic mass, group of 3 elements having similar properties are obtained. He placed the 3 elements in same group with similar properties. So, in Daubigny's triad, elements were arranged in increasing order of atomic mass. Second, scientist Daubigny arranged the elements in triads form with similar properties. Okay, and the atomic mass of the middle element of the triad being nearly equal to the average of the atomic masses of the other 2 elements. For example, lithium, sodium, potassium. Okay, he made the triads for these 3 elements with similar properties. They are having similar properties also. So according to him, atomic mass of the middle element is the average of the other 2 elements, first and last elements. So find out 6.9 or 7 plus 39, we will get 23. It is correct. Okay, so average of these 2 elements is similar to atomic mass of the middle element. Okay, next. Now, what are the limitation? Why it was failed? This theory was failed. The major limitation of Newland's triad, he could identify only 3 triads: lithium, sodium, potassium. Next triad, calcium, strontium, barium, and the last one, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So he made periodic table only for 9 elements. This is the first limitation, drawback of this theory. However, the total number of elements were more than that of those encompassed in Daubigny's triad. Number of total elements were more than that during that time. Thus, Daubigny could not be classified most of the element known at that time. Okay, he classified only 9 elements. Okay, and he stated that in his triads, the atomic mass of the middle element is equal to the average of first and last elements. But this theory was not successful because these triads, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, in this case, these halogen elements, this is called halogen element, fluorine, chlorine, bromine. Okay, so these elements do not follow Daubigny's triad. Let's see how. atomic mass of fluorine is 18, chlorine this, and bromine 79. But according to Dobinus triad, atomic mass of middle element is the average of these two elements. So find out 18, 80, 20. Now we will get 49. But actually, atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. This is not equal to average of these two elements. Hence, Dobinus law failed. Okay. So mass of middle element is roughly equal to the atomic mass of remaining two element in case of halogen. So they did not follow this rule. That's why Dobinus theory was failed. Now, next theory was given by Newlands, and his theory was known as law of Newland's law of octave. In 1864, Newlands arranged the known 56 elements. Till that time, only 56 elements were known in the order of increasing atomic mass. He also arranged the elements in the order of atomic masses, increasing order of atomic masses. He observed that the properties of every eighth element are similar to the properties of the first element, just like the 8 notes of music. Here you can see hydrogen, lithium, gallium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and fluorine. Means every 8 element has a similar properties of the first element. Again, fluorine, chlorine, we know that same elements, valency -1, -1, 1 valency. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So he states that every 8th element are similar to the properties of the first element, just like the 8 notes of music: sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. Okay. This was comparable to octaves found in music, and hence was called the law of octaves or Newland's law of octave. But the law of octave was applicable only up to calcium. Only up to calcium. After which every element did not respond the first element. Here you can see after calcium it does not match. Means it is not a halogen group, halide group, cobalt, nickel. It was applicable, this theory was applicable up to calcium. After that element did not resembles the first elements. This chromium is not resembled to aluminium. They do not have the similar properties with the first one, like this. This does not come in halogen group. Copper does not come here. Okay, so this was applicable up only for lighter elements. So what are the limitations? Law of octave was applicable only up to calcium or only for lighter element up to 20 atomic number. Newland adjusted 2 elements in the same slot. Here you can see he adjusts 2 elements in the same slots having different properties. But this theory was prepared because of the similar properties. They placed the elements which are having similar properties. So, but what they did, he placed these 2 elements in the same slots, cobalt, nickel with fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, which is wrong because it does not have similar properties with halogen group, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So it is not correct placement. You should not place this element here. Okay, so this first limitation. Second is, according to Newlands, only 56 elements was existed in nature, and according to him no more element would be discovered in future. But it was wrong. Now 118 element is there in periodic table. But Newlands, according to Newlands, only 56 element existed in nature and no more elements will be discovered in future. After calcium, every 8th elements did not possess properties of similar to that of the first element. After calcium, they do not have the similar properties with the previous first elements. Okay. Elements with greater atomic mass could not be accommodated into octaves. The elements that were discovered later could not be fit into the octaves pattern. After 56 element, the element which was discovered later, it could not fit into the octaves pattern. That's why this theory was failed. Then Mendeleev from the periodic table. When elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic mass, we also arrange the elements in the increasing atomic mass. The elements with similar properties occupy at regular intervals. Means elements are placed according to similar properties. Mendeleev's periodic table is based on the chemical properties of elements. Mendeleev periodic table is based on the chemical properties of element. It contains 7 periods. In Mendeleev periodic table, they place the elements according to similar properties, and similar properties was based on which? Based on chemical property. These properties was based on chemical properties. He made 7 properties. It contains 7 periods. Mendeleev's periodic table contains 7 periods. 1, 2, 3 means 7 columns. 7 periods means 7 horizontal rows and 8 group, 8 vertical column. 7 group and 8 vertical column. Okay. Now, what are the merits of Mendeleev's? Some gaps were left for the undiscovered elements. He blanked some space. He left some space for undiscovered element like gallium, scandium, and germanium. Okay. Predict properties of element on the basis of their position in the periodic table. He predict the properties on the basis of their position in periodic table. Then accommodate noble gas when they were discovered without disturbing the original arrangement. He accommodate noble gas element in the last column. They were discovered without disturbing the original arrangement. Noble gas element like helium, neon, argon, krypton, in which outermost shell is completely filled. They are called noble gas element. Okay. Now, what are the limitation? Position of isotope could not be explained. No fixed position for hydrogen. On that time, position of hydrogen was not fixed. Till that time, hydrogen was placed with halogen. Because halogen has also 1 electron in its outermost shell, just like hydrogen. Wrong order of atomic masses of some elements. Wrong order of atomic mass. Some elements, atomic masses of some elements were wrong placed, could not be explained. So these were the reason due to which Mendeleev periodic table was failed. After that, modern periodic table come into existence.